Bonjour, aujourd'hui nous sommes à Texworld, le plus grand salon textile d'Europe et nous allons interviewer les meilleures usines de la planète pour connaître leurs prix.
And our price is...
This type of hoodies are very trendy.
We don't have any MOQ.
You have no MOQ?
No.
C'est vraiment très agréable, c'est très léger. So I saw on your show these shirts.
Yep.
On a été invité par Source, entreprise de sourcing textile international, pour vous montrer ce qui se cache derrière vos étiquettes. L'objectif de cette vidéo est de vous montrer la réalité des choses depuis le point de vue des gérants et des commerciaux des grandes usines eux-mêmes. Ils nous ont partagé leur expertise, leur minimum de commande dit MOQ, Minimum Order Quantity, dans la vidéo, leur délai de livraison et bien sûr ce qu'on veut tous savoir, les prix. Et ici on ne garde pas les informations secrètes. Chez Vêtu d'idées, notre but c'est de vous aider à créer votre marque de vêtements unique et rentable et d'être le plus transparent possible. Alors tous les contacts de tous les fournisseurs seront affichés à la fin de chaque interview. Disclaimer.
La seule plateforme avec qui nous sommes affiliés est Source. Tous les fournisseurs présents dans cette vidéo n'ont aucun lien avec Vêtu d'idées. Si vous travaillez avec l'un d'entre eux, vous êtes entièrement responsable de vos actions et Vêtu d'idées décline toute responsabilité.
We are Modimex Textile from Istanbul and we are specialized in high complexity niche female garments. Later on our products we can also do a little bit more complex items. This is a ghillie suit kind of
Okay, so
stuff.
this is sew-in, yeah.
Yes, this is sewn.
Perfect.
And close up here, this is also our embroidery. We also do provide in-house embroidery. So we are a company that gives ready-to-sell items for B2B purposes.
Okay, great. And let's say for this product, I want to start work with you. What is the MOQ for this product?
We are a niche market provider. That's why our minimum order quantities are at 300 pieces per item. Yes.
And for 300 pieces, do you have the price for like this exact one? Let's say I want to put my logo in there.
For this one, we do it for 21 euros.
Okay, 21 euros for 300 pieces minimum.
Yes, minimum. And this is only SIF. So added customs and then shipping.
Okay, great. So let's say we work together. What are the lead time for a product like that?
So we do not give any limitations on the sampling process, yet we try to be as responsive as we can because greatness takes time. I strongly believe that this is the thing, because right now we're living in a much more fast consumption world and we kind of want to slow down and have people enjoy what they buy rather than hang it onto the wardrobe and never forget. This is not something we stand. We stand on a slow fashion basis, and this is made for another customer. So I will never give the same for you. Okay. This will be a base, and then we will start to develop depending on your target price. If you don't want, let's say polyester, and then we go with the polyamide, a little bit more expensive alternatives, then we remodel everything for you, resize everything for you, and deliver you what you want. And we are a company that builds trust on time. So it's not like we bought this from you once and we never say hi again. This is not us. We take full responsibility on every item that we sell. If there is a small product, we are behind on everything that we sell. It's not about that. We build on trust. That's our main idea.
And so you do everything in-house on this product? Or
Wovens, we outsource.
Okay.
We source fabric from everywhere, from Korea, from Greece, from France, also from Turkey.
Yeah, for the fabric.
So depending on the goods. We are just-in-time strategy, so we don't stock on everything. No stocks, and everything is made tailored specifically for the needs of the customer.
Okay, that's great.
Yes.
Okay, great. Where do people can find you?
People can find us on our website, and people can find us on our Source website. So we are modimex.com.
Okay, modimex.com. Okay,
Yes.
thank you very much.
My pleasure.
Hi, so nice to meet you. Can you explain what you do in the company and what is the company production type, please?
Yeah, okay. Nice to meet you too.
Thank
and
you.
our factory can do the sportswear, the soccer jersey, American football jersey.
Everything you have there.
Yes.
And so what do you do in the jersey? Like you do everything, you did the prints and everything on it, cut and sew prints.
Yes,
Okay,
yes, we
great.
can do sublimation, embroidery, heat press, silk screen printing, and so on.
Let's take a product, for example. Let's take for example this one with the big logo.
Yes.
So what is the MOQ if I want to start working with you for a product like that?
Yeah, and our MOQ is 20 pieces.
Okay,
Yes.
only 20 pieces?
Yes, it's very low.
Okay, very low. So if you are a small creator, you can come here and there is a lot of beautiful jerseys like that. And so let's say for a jersey like that, I want to order I don't know, 50 pieces, what would be the price or price range for a jersey like that?
This one is around 50 pieces,
$15, yeah,
yes.
okay, $15. But there is the big thing and everything, okay.
This is our contact.
Okay, great.
And that one is our website.
My name is Emre. Ayan Textile is a ready-made garment producer based in Istanbul, Turkey. We are doing all kinds of jersey garments for men and ladies. We do also menswear, woven shirts. We are strong in ladies wear, as I said. We have a design team based in London.
Okay.
We are working with well-known European retailers.
So I saw a lot of products. This one caught my eyes. It is really great. So this is one of the special products you can make.
Actually, we make this kind of Chanel, we call them as Chanel jackets, but mainly these are made in woven qualities.
Yeah.
But we make it in jersey fabrics, which make it more affordable and more comfortable to use. We are strong in this kind of Chanel jackets, in jacquard fabrics. We make different types of products, jackets, skirts, and also trousers as well.
Yeah, this is beautiful because these do not look like jersey. This really look like very premium feel with the. And so to produce pieces like that, what would be the MOQ?
300 pieces for this kind of jacquard products, but our production lines are capable for smaller quantities. We make 200, 300 pieces, depending on the fabric MOQ, but for this kind of items we can make 200, 300 pieces.
Okay, 200 pieces for starting with this piece. What would be the price, or at least the price range for a product like this with the MOQ?
Actually, it all depends on the fabric quality and also the size measurement. There are many things that affect the price, but for just to give a general idea, for this kind of item is around 15, 16 euros.
Okay, 15, 16, wow. This is a great price for such a jacket. What are your client type? Like, who is the ideal client that you want to attract and that you want to create a great connection with? What type of brand and what type of product?
Actually, mainly we are working with Spanish market and UK market.
Okay.
And in ladies wear we are offering different kinds of items, not very basics. As I said, this is jacquard ones, Chanel ones, and also with lace nowadays, or the Christmas items we also offer a lot to attract the customers. Or not basic items. This is not us actually. We are in source, for source as well.
Yeah.
We are in a company in Ningbo. There is our own factory. I am Lin. Nice to meet you. And we prefer some casual style and sports styles. And for like polo fleece styles and cotton styles. And we made for many famous brands.
So let's say I'm a small creator and I want to work with you. Let's say we want to manufacture this piece, which is great on the Los Angeles Lakers, something like that with heavy white cottons. What will be the minimum for that?
For normally our MOQ is 500 pieces for each color, and because it's no fabric, 80% cotton, 20% polyester.
Okay, this one is 80% cotton.
Yeah.
And so what services do you provide? Are you able to really make everything in there? So
Everything as you want.
Oh, okay, great.
Maybe if you find some interesting technique, you can send me sample or picture. I can make for you.
Do we even provide the design process or only?
Only for focus on production. I think people should focus on their good thing.
Yeah, great.
We can give you basically like same hoodie like this with the no logo. I can give you a price, and with the big logo, I can give you a price. So something similar like this: 8% cotton, 20% polyester, fleece 300 GSM, and our price based on this is 8.5 MOQ. And if we have the hip transfer big logo, and you can see the cute kitty, and our price is 9.5.
And what are your ideal client? Like, what type of client do you want to attract, and what type of consumer do you want to work with?
We normally working with the big brand, but we also want to support some beginning brand or not that big brand. So our MOQ is based on 500 pieces.
Okay, great. And do you have any specific skill set when it comes to making the clothes? Like, are there something you're very good about, and which is the specification of the company, the specialization of the company? Or you can really make any type of clothes?
No, they're all the type. You can touch. It has two sides are the same, very soft.
Yeah.
And why it's called scuba fabric? Because you can feel it. It's like scuba. The fabric can breathe.
Okay, yeah, great. Cette vidéo vous est proposée par Vêtu, mon entreprise qui accompagne les créateurs dans le développement de leurs marques de vêtements uniques et rentables. On aide les marques de vêtements à se développer en implémentant des systèmes de gestion ultra optimisés, en développant leur image de marque et leur communication en ligne, pour leur permettre de fédérer une communauté engagée et de scaler la marque. Pas juste quelques publicités en ligne et quelques documents par-ci par-là. Ici, on est là pour vraiment vous accompagner de A à Z et vous permettre d'implémenter les systèmes dans votre marque, ce qui vous permettra d'être durable sur le long terme et de réellement enregistrer de la croissance. On a déjà accompagné des dizaines de créateurs, alors si vous souhaitez implémenter les meilleurs systèmes qui vous permettront de scaler votre marque de vêtements, vous pouvez réserver un appel avec nous, c'est totalement gratuit, le lien est en description. Ça vous permettra d'échanger avec des experts sur le sujet et même d'avoir une feuille de route complète sur comment vous allez pouvoir faire évoluer votre projet. Alors même si vous êtes débutant ou hésitant, eh bien n'hésitez pas et réservez un appel avec le lien en description.
So we are a player in Cunha Textiles. We are a company from Portugal. We have more than 30 years of experience in the knitwear. This is the products we mainly do, from t-shirts to hoodies to sweatpants. Of course, we do also a little bit from the outside when we have special clients who ask us.
Great. So I saw on your show this shirt.
Yep.
Yeah, can you explain it? What is this shirt?
Yeah, this is a gaming client. They approached us, of course. It was on the beginning from a YouTuber that also have his own brand.
So let's say I want to be competitor of them. I want to start my brand, start a fashion brand with sports shirts. What is the MOQ for that?
Yeah, we have the MOQ of 100 per color and model. Then, of course, depending on the details, something can go up a little bit. But something like this, we can get it on that MOQ.
Can you tell the price for a jersey like that? Like, if I want to produce simple jersey, sublimation, what will be at least the price range for a product like that with you?
Okay, for this one, we can go from 12, 13 euros to 16, 17. Of course, it depends on everything that we are going to put on the t-shirts.
Great.
About details, labels, everything, every detail matters.
For production time, what can you offer with that? So let's say deliver in France, so
yeah.
just the neighbor. What
After everything is approved, we take 6 to 7 weeks to delivery to you. So we can make everything for you, since the mesh to the packaging, we can personalize everything and just be delivered to you as a finished product.
Are you specialized in a specific specialization in your company, or you can do overall?
Yeah, a little bit of overall, of course. Now we are mainly working for streetwear brands where you use more the style of oversized. That's why we are looking more to that product.
Okay, where do people can find you? What's your company name? Where do people can contact you?
You have you have. In this case, it's my card. You can check what we have there.
It's very nice to meet you. And
Thank you.
We come from China. Our company name is Kinrang Clothing and Shoes Company. And my name is Jamie. We are main production is the riding jacket, outdoor jacket, ski jacket.
Yeah.
It's popular in Europe.
Yeah.
And
So your main clients are in Europe, right?
Yeah. France and Italy, Poland, and Denmark, something like that.
I'm a new consumer to you. What will be the MOQ for a jacket like that?
300 per color.
300 per color.
Yes.
What would be the price or a price range, if you can disclose that, for a jacket like that, for MOQ, new consumer?
It's about $12 US.
$12
Yeah.
per jacket. Okay,
Yeah,
so
yeah,
really
yeah.
cheap for a jacket like
Yes,
that.
yes.
Because they are selling for a much higher price. This type of jacket.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So that's an amazing price. What will be the price for a sample with you? Some manufacturer, they are very low, those are very high. What would be an estimation about sampling with you?
Sometimes for a new customer, we normally we will quote about $100 US for the sample charge. But the order confirmed, we can deduct this sample fee from our invoice, the website.
Great.
Alors, Fashion Team, c'est une entreprise portugaise. On fait la production de tout le genre de vêtements, de medium haute gamme.
Ok.
Alors on fait les chaînes et trames, des modèles en chaîne et trames, et on fait aussi les jersey. Alors c'est un mix et on a la possibilité de livrer aux clients une gamme très vaste.
Ouais, je vois que vous avez beaucoup de produits différents et il y en a un qui a attiré mon attention. Celui-ci, on voit que les boucles de la maille sont vraiment parfaites, c'est magnifique. Sur ce produit-là, est-ce que vous pouvez nous donner quelques détails sur le produit, ce que vous avez fait dessus, comment vous travaillez pour faire ce type de produit?
Alors ça c'est un Super Kid Mohair qualité, c'est une fil qui vient d'Italie.
Okay.
C'est évidemment un produit qui sort, c'est de haute gamme, alors c'est un produit qui sort un petit peu cher pour le prix de vente, mais c'est ça, nous on fait des produits de haute qualité et évidemment qu'on n'est pas là pour faire la compétition avec des pays asiatiques. Nous, on a un autre approach, comme on dit ça en français.
Oui, approche.
On a une autre approche. Alors ça c'est un exemple d'un produit de haute gamme, produit au Portugal. Des quantités, on a toujours la possibilité de produire plus ou moins 200 pièces par modèle et couleur.
Okay. Est-ce que pour un produit comme ça de très haute qualité, est-ce qu'on pourrait réduire les quantités? Quel serait votre minimum de commande, le MOQ?
C'est entre 150 et 200 pièces par couleur.
Okay.
C'est déjà une quantité très...
C'est déjà bas. Du côté du producteur, c'est déjà bas forcément.
Ouais.
Et pour celui-ci, par exemple, si je veux le produire, rajouter une broderie, faire un produit similaire, quel serait le prix environ sur une tranche de prix pour travailler sur un produit d'exception comme ça?
Comment on dit ça en français? 75?
75.
Évidemment, si on veut faire un broderie ou un print ou quelque chose comme ça, on doit ajouter ce prix. Mais avec une qualité comme ça de Super Kid Mohair, ça commence comme ça.
Quelles seraient les spécialités sur lesquelles vous travaillez dans votre usine? Est-ce qu'il y a des types de vêtements pour lesquels vous faites plus régulièrement et pour lesquels vous vous considérez comme meilleur et spécialiste?
En fait, on a trois grands genres de produits qu'on fait chez nous. C'est ça qu'on a vu ici, c'est le knitwear.
Magnifique.
Évidemment qu'on a pris ici
les meilleurs.
The top of the pops.
Oui, forcément.
Mais évidemment qu'on a des modèles, par exemple comme celui-là, qu'on fait en coton organique. Et les prix, ils sont très compétitifs, évidemment. Alors ça, c'est un genre de produit. Alors l'autre genre, grand groupe, c'est les chaînes et trames. C'est les modèles qu'on fait. Ici, on voit seulement des modèles pour femmes, mais évidemment, on fait pour hommes aussi. Mais je ne pourrais pas amener tout ce qu'on fait.
Oui, bien sûr, mais ils sont magnifiques aussi.
Et je voulais aussi montrer ici le touch des hautes qualités, où on peut voir les détails, où on peut voir les broderies, et en même temps la simplicité. Ouais. Parce qu'aujourd'hui, less is more.
C'est vrai que c'est très fin et c'est très fluide.
Très fluide.
Quand on voit la matière, peut-être qu'on peut montrer à la caméra, c'est vraiment très agréable, c'est très léger. Et ça, pour un vêtement d'été, de printemps, je pense que ça, c'est
parfait.
Magnifique.
Exactement. Ce qu'on voit ici, c'est son modèle que c'est nous qu'on a fait le développement. Okay. Évidemment, c'est au client de dire ce qu'il veut.
Oui, bien sûr.
Ça donne toujours une idée, la possibilité de choisir des détails, mais faire un modèle complètement différent.
Bien sûr, si on arrive chez vous avec un tech pack déjà fait, c'est parfait.
C'est parfait,
parfait
exactement.
Pour travailler avec vous. Ok, génial.
Mais même si on ne reçoit pas le tech pack,
vous pouvez
on peut aider les clients parce que ce que le plus important dans la production, c'est les mesures, les mesurations, les fits. Oui. Mais ça, on peut toujours trouver avec des autres échantillons. Oui. Les clients peuvent toujours venir et dire j'ai cet échantillon, mais je veux changer ça et ça et ça. Oui. Ça fonctionne aussi.
Oui, bien sûr. Bien sûr. Et puis c'est plus facile de gérer toutes les mesures une fois qu'on est dans l'usine, qu'on a les premiers échantillons, qu'on a tout le matériel pour.
Alors, ça c'était le deuxième groupe et le troisième groupe, c'est celui-là. C'est des modèles en maille. Là, les modèles ils sont très simples parce qu'on voulait montrer la simplicité, mais évidemment que tout ce qu'on parle de broderie, de print, d'impression, de lavage, c'est tous quelque chose qu'on fait facilement.
Ouais. Donc ça, ce serait plus vos spécialités ou?
C'est un de notre spécialités.
Ça, c'est ce que vous devez vendre le plus,
exactement.
En interne.
Je dirais que c'est ça que les marques ils cherchent en plus.
Oui. Pour commencer, qu'est-ce que vous recommanderiez sur les produits que vous avez? Par exemple, si je veux commencer sur un style, une marque menswear pour hommes, quel serait le type de produit que vous identifiez comme étant un des meilleurs types de produits pour commencer?
ces modèles-là.
Ces modèles basiques-là,
Basiques.
la sécurité au début.
Pas nécessairement être basique, mais ce genre de modèle, c'est que tout le monde utilise pendant la journée. Tous les jours, les t-shirts, les hoodies ou les pantalons comme ça. Okay. Par exemple, celui-là qu'on n'a pas parlé, celui-là c'est un modèle très basique, mais ça c'est Swarovski.
Ok.
Alors c'est un détail très important.
Et puis la matière, encore une fois, moi de ce que j'ai vu dans votre stand, j'aime beaucoup les matières. Donc ce que vous pouvez développer, c'est très très agréable. Pour moi, c'est le meilleur truc de votre stand, c'est génial.
Notre entreprise, c'est Fashion Team.
Ok, parfait. Fashion Team. Merci beaucoup, c'était génial. Votre français est très bon en plus.
Oh, merci.
We are GMT Textile Company. We are in Istanbul, Turkey, and 25 years old company. And we are specialized on ladies' garment manufacturing. So these are all our samples to present our company. We are mostly focused on chic women.
Yeah, okay.
So we are preparing our collection based on the chic looking ladies.
Okay, great. And what are your clients type? What type of clients do you have?
Yes, we are working mostly for the European chain stores and European boutique companies. And mostly we are working for Italian and French and also North European companies and chain stores.
Do you have, for example, I actually like this product a lot. Can you introduce me to this product? What is this?
This is viscose fabric, and we used to work a lot on viscose yarns, which are natural yarns, and we are also working on sustainable fabrics and qualities. So this is our winter touch viscose fabric, and we are also very good on all over prints. We are offering also new trendy all over prints to our customers. So this is our winter touch viscose natural fabric quality.
I'm a new client. I want to work with you. What will be the MOQ for a product like this?
It is around, it depends on the minimum for the print, if it's printed.
Okay.
So it depends also on the garment. But we try to ask 250 pieces per garment and per print.
Can you disclose the price for a piece of this quality? What will be the price, or at least the price range for the MOQ?
Yes, so for this style, which has a long and good consumption, it will be around 90, 50.
Okay, and for you, what's the process of working with you? Of course, starting with sample, I assume. How do you work on sample basis?
So they may have an idea. So this is nice. This is what I was looking for.
Yeah.
Of course, here we have just a part of our collection. We have a very big and very wide selection in our company. So they can choose in between, or they can send their specs. So we can give our
estimation.
Exactly our offers for them, and then we start with the sampling, of course, and if they like the 3D looking, then we can start with the real sampling, we can send them the real sampling, and then we can start with the production. Here we have all the details, who we are, where we are, so they can contact us.
Great, thank you very much.
Thanks to you.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes, we are from China, and our company is located in Jiaxing City, very near to Shanghai. And you can see we presentation some factory and pure collections. Frankly, we are super strong at factory and pure collections.
Yeah.
Yes, it's very strong.
Okay, so this is fake leather, right?
Yes, fake leather.
Okay.
This one fake leather bonded fake fur, bonded 2 layers.
So let's say I really like this long coat here.
Yeah.
Let's say I want to produce that with you. What will be the MOQ to start a product like that?
For this one, MOQ is about 300 pieces.
Okay, 300 pieces for that.
Yes.
Okay, for MOQ of 300, what will be the price for this finished product with, you know, the sleeve and everything?
Yes, as you can see,
or
it's
price range.
Okay, for this one, it's about 13 30 US
Okay.
dollars. Yes, based on 300 pieces.
30 or 13?
30.
30, yeah.
Yes,
right.
yes, 30.
Yeah.
It's just because
Yeah,
you
it's-
can see the color is big color.
Yeah, it's
and
great.
it's long trench peel.
Yeah, so you have every end feel you can provide. You have every feel,
Yes,
like
the-
knockback, like
Yes, different hand feeling, and
Yeah.
you can see that one is soft and this one is like sweat, but a little bit stiff.
yeah. And you can also mix with
Yeah.
some knitted fabric like that.
Yes, normally customers are sourcing the factory floor, but this style customer ask us to knit color. It's very special.
And you did it.
Yes,
This is your
we also
factory.
can do,
Okay, so
yeah.
you can also add the knitting product
Yes.
to this fabric. Okay, so
Yes.
this is awesome.
Modeta style is really old factory and well known in Czech Republic.
Okay.
More than 30 years. After a long time, the owner decided to change. Unfortunately, old owner, like at the recently, they switch to the other business or the new generation. They are not would like to continue their own way. But then we decided to buy the Modeta factory and give another chance to be live.
Okay.
Well-known factory with many range of possibility of SEO we provide to our customer. The service is like A to Z.
Okay, so I just come with the idea and you can do from design to sampling to production to sourcing the material.
Exactly.
Okay, really.
You will come, you have some idea in your mind or you have some design and you wish to have it in a real brand.
I have a question that comes to mind when I see the country Czech Republic. So how do you stay competitive in the global markets and in Europe? What are the specifications of your factory that make people want to work with you, and what's the client type you work with?
So the competitor, Czech, especially like our factory, I can say high quality. We call it in the manufacturing second sort. It means when you sew, you have some damage. We don't have it.
Okay.
And it's one of the points that really we proud of this is that we don't have second sort. Lady are sewing in a perfect condition your product, and our price it's really nice compared to all around the countries like Germany, Switzerland, Austria. The door of the factory open whenever the client would like
so
to come.
Yeah, if you can visit, this is good.
Yeah, whenever
great.
they come during the process, even sometimes they call me like, oh, we are near the border. I'm like, just welcome. We are not sew your product, but you are open to see that how it's going, and we don't have anything to hide, I can say.
Yeah,
so
that's the best.
yes,
So I see from what you have in exposition here, you have a lot of technical material.
yes.
Can you explain
exactly.
what are the specifications of your factory and what's your specialization?
Yeah, we are mainly sewing the material that have elasticity, that it's really hard. Different model of the swimwear for men and women. Even we have clients from the America that they have swimwear, we sew for them and ship back to America.
Yeah. Let's say for this product, if I'm a new brand, I want to start with you, what would be the MOQ for a product like that?
We don't have any MOQ.
You have no MOQ?
No,
Oh,
because
that's fantastic.
we specializing the package for you. You come to me according to your budget, because maybe you are a new brand, so you don't need few thousands of the material and the product. So we believe the green production. So you will tell me how is your budget, for which season you want to launch it, and then we help you according to your plan and according to your budget. If you are, for example, in the summer, so I can tell you don't go with 50 pieces, go with 150, because it's season, you can have marketing team behind the project and you can present yourself good. So it depends on the situation. We really help in like A to Z. Even if you need a marketing idea, our marketing team can assist you.
Okay, you have even a marketing team
Even
for
marketing
the
team.
client
exactly.
project. Okay, that's
because
fantastic.
All of this is cost. If you go to some agency, they're gonna give you huge plan, costly. So, but we have our own, and we divide between few projects. So you come, you have 2 hours with the marketing manager, the meeting, brainstorm, and you can continue.
Okay, that's a big thing, because for me when I when I consult with my clients, I often tell them to ask the manufacturer if they have anything in stock, if they are already producing for another client a specific type of fabric, because they can lower the price drastically working this way.
That is the best offer that you can tell them.
And so let's say for a product like that, are you able to disclose the pricing for the client, like the final pricing? Of course, you work with no MOQ, so this really depends on the clients coming here. But let's say I want to order 100 pieces for this product. How do you be able to price it for me?
So one question is that at the moment, how much you are in rush? Because sometimes you have the client that they need immediately the production, which means that I need to stop the other production line that have effect on their price. But usually we really try to manage to not really affect on their budget. Even it's happened that we ask the ladies that if they are agree, for example, this they work 2 hours extra because this client need our help. Even we are open to negotiate if they have something in their mind to give them the best service.
So here.
They can just search Modetta style. We are available.
Okay, great. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Damien from Yokoyo. We're a UK-based design and sourcing company. We help brands go from initial idea through to full delivery of the product and everything else in between. So we have designers, we have local people in China, Bangladesh and India to help source and manage the production. Along with inspections, quality control.
Okay, great. And what are your clients, like your ideal clients? What is?
So we work with blue chip customers, large online retailers in the UK, down to small independent boutique brands.
For a person who want to start working with you, so you really handle the full process. So let's say I'm a beginner, I go to your shop and I just ask for this pants or a type of pants with strass like that.
Yes.
You are really able to source everything, make the design, the tech pack, and go on from there for the production.
Absolutely. The starting point though is understanding what you're about, what you like, and what your end customer is going to like, because you've got to sell that. So perhaps you want something that's meeting a certain price point, perhaps you want certain sustainability credentials, a certain fit, a certain feel. So we have to understand that.
And so I assume that the company you work with are not your company, they are partners that you work with. So that's really how you differentiate in the market. You design and you manage everything.
Yes.
So people tend to be scared of agency because they are scared of higher prices. Of course, the price may be higher, but what are really the differentiation that you can provide for the consumers?
I think it's actually the opposite, because
you have bigger quantity.
Well, no, because we've been operating in those regions for some period of time. We know what all the raw material costs are, so we know what the cost of this fabric is per meter. We know the consumption, we know the washing costs, the CMT costs. So a small brand going directly to China might get a price of $18 to $20 for this. We're going to give you a price much less because we know what we should be paying. At the same time, one factory in China that we work with is exclusively produced for us for the past 7 years. So they don't produce for any other brands or retailers, only the brands that we work with.
How do we work with you if you want to start working with you? Do you have any contact, any cards to show the audience?
Here's one I made earlier. But yeah, you can, that's my details there.
It's nice to meet you.
Thank you.
My name is Imran. Basically, we are from Pakistan. We got our manufacturing set up in Pakistan in the great city Faisalabad. Our head office is in Lahore. We mainly deal in knitwear. I can show
you have a lot
sample.
of great product. What would be like one of your main product, a product that you sell a lot and that brands love to do with you?
We sell actually a lot of products. We sell all these products are developed for the customers, and we are selling these products here. Mainly, our main work is in the fleece and terry. So you can see the quality. Yeah.
Okay, great.
You can see, and this is a fleece.
Yeah, very soft on it.
This we are developing for one USA customer. So we can make the basic hoodies, and we can also make according to what the customer need. So if he's asking us to do printing, embroidery, we can do that.
Are you able to provide also design services, or are you just when people are contacting you?
Well, we can provide the design services. There is no
Okay.
issue. Mainly, customers send us their design and they ask us to develop it.
Yeah.
But if someone is looking for design
like
services, we can do that. Yeah.
Technical, like design.
We can do that. We can do that.
Okay, great. And for a product like that, what would be the MOQ with you?
Well, usual MAQ is at least 800 pieces.
Okay, 800 pieces for this one. Okay, so.
But obviously, if customer is asking for less, we can do that. But
Okay,
this is just no,
defect,
no, it's not the fact. It's basically did it on purpose.
Okay, to show.
Because otherwise, if we go to USA, they will charge for the custom duties.
Oh, okay.
So they don't take it as a sample.
Okay.
Yeah, different countries they can also charge us for a custom duties.
Okay,
so this is done deliberately.
Special technique.
Yeah, this is done deliberately. We have done it on all the.
And let's say I want to make this one, the let's say the exact same design, some small change. What would be a price estimation or a price range for this type of clothes to give people an idea about the price in your industry?
Well, it will be around $5.
Okay, great. This is great quality for such a price.
Yes, yeah. I have a video of our factory.
Okay, great. So this is your factory?
Yeah, this is our factory. Yeah.
Very beautiful factory.
Yeah.
How many workers you have in total?
Well, we got around 300, 350 workers.
Okay.
This is our card.
Yeah, actually we are manufacturing from China, and our stress is have a small quantity but fast fashion. For some items we can make in 1 week because we have our own factory and we can produce even one single piece.
Yeah, you have a lot of beautiful products here. What are your specialty in your factory? What type of product are you the best at?
Yeah, actually we can work for 4 seasons from summer to winter, but due to this time we are more focused on the autumn winter collection.
Okay.
So we have some jacket like this one we can wear.
This is great.
You know, like 2 sizes. So you can have 2 different looks during the day working and also after.
This is reversible. And what are the fabric, for example?
It's actually wool.
This is wool?
Yeah, it's
100% wool?
Yes, 100%
Okay, so
wool.
high quality product. You make everything on the product.
Yes,
You don't outsource. Let's say I want to work with you to produce this jacket. What would be the MOQ for that?
The stress for our factory is we can produce very low quantity, like 300 pieces.
Okay, 300 pieces would be the minimum for that. And I assume this product is on the higher end of the market. What price range would it be for the MOQ, or what price, if you can disclose the exact price?
It depends on the category because we also have some blouse and vest, and for this jacket.
But for example, for this jacket, what would be the price?
It's around $20.
And so I saw on the background that you have also other great product like cotton product like that. This is very trendy actually. So you can make special finishing on the product.
Yeah, we do some like soft washing. So when you wear it, it's more comfortable. And a low style is trendy on the market, and it's easy to wear. And we added some small details to make the pant is more trendy.
This is the content.
Yes. We also have our German office.
We are a company Francesco Botti, SARL. We're based in Tangier Free Zone. We do everything from the cutting, manufacturing, washing, dyeing to offer a finished product. We are mainly in the trousers segment.
Can you introduce me to the product? This is really great and
This is corduroy fabric from Germany. It has a length stretch, which is not very common. It gives you a very good comfort.
Do you provide any other services like design services, or you really?
Yes, with design, of course.
Okay, so if I come with an idea to your factory, I'm able to get like a full service and you source the fabric too.
Yes.
On a product like that, what would be the MOQ to produce such a pant?
The MOQ would be around 200 pieces, 200 to 300 pieces. And because this product is ready dyed, if we use the same fabric in ready for dyeing, we can go down to 100 pieces.
Okay, and let's say we have 100 pieces pants like that. What would be the price or price range for like the exact model?
For this exact model with this fabric, we are at about 25 to 30 euros.
Okay.
Yes.
And so when I touch your product, I really feel like this is on the higher end of the garment production. So what are the your clients? Like, what are your ideal clients that you work with?
Well, basically we work catalog distributors a lot, or any company that is in the middle upper quality level, and also with the pricing.
Okay, great. So people are in touch with one of your team and they just start from there the project explaining. Attends, si t'as regardé la vidéo jusque-là, c'est qu'elle a dû te plaire, alors un like nous aiderait énormément pour développer la chaîne. On a aussi demandé aux usines leurs meilleurs conseils pour les jeunes créateurs et petites marques pour les aider à développer leur marque de vêtements et à avoir les meilleurs process pour travailler avec les usines de vêtements. C'est une vidéo qui arrive bientôt dans les prochaines semaines, alors abonne-toi pour pas la rater. Merci d'avoir regardé cette vidéo, c'était Etienne GS pour Vêtu d'idées. À bientôt.